Now let's talk about backing up your website. Let's go up here and click the Backup and Restore button. Once you have your site looking the way you want it, it's a good idea to back it up to the cloud. Now this feature will only back up your page content and menu bar. This will not back up anything you uploaded like pictures, slideshows, PDFs, or audio files, because these files should already be on your computer since you uploaded them. And you should always create a folder on your computer where you keep all your website stuff in one location. So let's say your website's looking great and it's been up for a few months. You got some cool ideas on changing the look of it, but you're not sure if it's going to look right. Well, just click Backup Website. And then you can make all your changes, and if you don't like what you did, you just come back here and click Restore from Backup. And it loads your original content back into the editor, and then you just click Save in the toolbar. So it's a nice safety feature. We also have Restore from Autosave. Every 25 changes you make during editing, the system automatically saves what you did. So if for some reason your computer blows up while you're editing and you didn't get to save the last half hour's worth of work, the system autosaved it. You just click Restore from Autosave and it loads it back into the editor. And again, you would click Save to apply it. So that's it for Backup and Restore.